Hello guys, and we're doing a documentary about Greg. And this is Greg. Oh, by the way, that is a mountain right here. Or Greg's mountain. Under it, there's like a pillar. But don't mind the mountain moving. It's actually like a robot. So Greg, tell me, what do you like to do for a living?
I like to fly around.
Greg, you're a flightless bird.
Yeah, I know. I like to fly in airplanes.
Greg, you don't have hands.
What's that have to do with anything?
Well, not being racist or anything, but you're bright orange, and I don't think anybody would take you as a bird, more of like a bomb. Okay.
Oh, no, you didn't.
Oh, yes, I did.
I'm about to come kill you.
You're not. You're stuck there. Remember I glued you there?
Damn it.
Yeah. Oh. Can you tell me, Greg, what's your favorite thing to do besides kill people?
I like to kill fish.
Yeah, that...
Any more questions?
Just a question. Why are you orange?
What do you want me to be? Black?
It would make it a little less easier to be racist.
If I was black.
Yeah. Alright. Well,
Man,
yeah.
I ain't no nigga.
Hey, don't be racist against the anybody who's African American.
Fine. I'm sorry. Not.
Ah, sorry about this, guys. Greg is a bird. He doesn't have to be worried about racism unless he gets shot. Even though you didn't.
Oh.
Get up. Hang on. Ready? Ready? I want to punch Greg. Here we go. Get up. Okay. Greg, get up. I'm not. There.
That was a magical foot.
Okay. So just one more question before we end this documentary.
What?
Are you racist?
Hell yeah, I'm racist.
That is all the time we have today for Greg. If you like this video, please like, comment, or subscribe. Damn it, Greg, get your ass up. Oh, you hit the camera. Bad.